Hi, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show. I'm Bertrand. Have you ever wanted to use a photograph for your wallpaper on your home screen or your lock screen? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you just how to do that. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your finger and drag it from the top to the bottom, and then you're going to want to tap on that cog or settings wheel. Now you're going to want to go to where it says Wallpaper and Styles and tap on it. Now you're going to want to go to your gallery and tap on it. Now you're going to want to choose the photograph that you want to use from your gallery and tap on it. Next you're going to want to go and you're going to want to tap on Done and tap on it. Now you're going to want to choose how you want the wallpaper to be set, as a home screen, as lock screen, or as lock screen and home screen. So I'll tap on lock screen and home screen and tap on it. Now you're going to want to also, if this comes up, you're going to want to set on lock and home screen and tap on it. And then if you want to apply it as far as your color palette is concerned, you can apply it as well. Now it will be set for your lock screen and your home screen. So let's go home, and you'll notice that it is there on my home screen, and if I turn the phone off, it's also on the lock screen as well. So this has been a quick video showing you how to take your favorite photographs and make them wallpapers on your Android or Samsung phone. If you found value in this quick video, please hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell to get our next video when it comes out, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show, and we'll see you in our next video.